Hi guys, I'm Chiyoki Oji and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I've been so lazy to come up with my YouTube videos. Like I write, but when it comes to actually producing it, like the video part. So a couple of years ago, something happened which made me to write down something and also had to go further to do a video on it. So it was titled Broken. It's more of violence against women, and the link will be below in case you want to check it out. So with the help of some friends, we were able to do a short video or a short film on violence against women. So I've decided not just to write, but also put them into video contents. Like these are just few of them. Like when it comes into my head, I just write and I end up not doing anything about it. They're just there, just like that. So it's crazy. I mean, so guys, I'll be doing videos based on inspirational travel videos and educational videos. So I'm also open to like work with. So as I was saying, I'm open to work with filmmakers, YouTubers. I mean, whatever you've got, you could bring it, we share ideas and work on something. So guys, I need your support, and do well to subscribe and also watch out for upcoming videos. Cheers.